Hello traders. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will go over a beginner's guide to trend lines. Let's get right into the video. Trend lines are probably the most common form of technical analysis in forex trading. They are probably one of the most underutilized ones as well. If drawn correctly, they can be as accurate as any other method. Unfortunately, most forex traders don't draw them correctly or try to make the line fit the market instead of the other way around. In their most basic form, an uptrend line is drawn along the bottom of easily identifiable support areas, valleys. This is known as an ascending trend line. In a downtrend, the trend line is drawn along the top of easily identifiable resistance areas, peaks. This is known as a descending trend line. How do you draw trend lines? To draw forex trend lines properly, all you have to do is locate two major tops or bottoms and connect them. What's next? Nothing. Is that it? Yep, it's that simple. Here are trend lines in action. Look at those waves. Types of trends. There are three types of trends. Uptrend, higher lows. Downtrend, lower highs. Sideways trend, ranging. Here are some important things to remember using trend lines in forex trading. It takes at least two tops or bottoms to draw a valid trend line, but it takes three to confirm a trend line. The steeper the trend line you draw, the less reliable it is going to be and the more likely it will break. Like horizontal support and resistance levels, trend lines become stronger the more times they are tested. And most importantly, do not ever draw trend lines by forcing them to fit the market. If they do not fit right, then that trend line isn't a valid one. Let's look at a live example. In this example, we can see price trading and respecting this trend line. We have multiple touches as well, which confirms that the trend line is valid. We can then see price reaches a level where it can either break structure and continue to the upside, or it can break to the downside, which would continue the downtrend. Let's see what it does. Price ends up breaking below the trend line. We learned from the support and resistance videos that an aggressive entry would be to take a trade on the convincing breakout. In this case, we want to wait for a retest of the trend line to be on the conservative side and get the best entry possible. If the trade would have broke the trend line and left us without giving a retest, we would have just waited for the next setup. Don't ever chase price. Remember, we want to take the best setups. Not all of them. We get a retest of the trend line, we take an entry at the candle close, with our stop loss just above the trend line for a tight stop. Or you can put the stop loss above structure, for a safe stop loss. Our take profit levels are set to previous market structure. As you can see, we have a winning trade. Okay traders, that is all for today's video. Leave a comment down below and let us know what videos you would like to see with TrustedSignals. If you have not purchased TrustedSignals, the link will be in the description below. Be sure to take advantage of that if you haven't already, because TrustedSignals is on sale and you don't want to miss out. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Be sure to join the Discord group where we hold giveaways, learn, and profit together. All links for TrustedSignals will be in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.